Hello everybody, my name is Max. Welcome back in another video. This time I'll be showing you quickly how you can purchase items on Hoobuy. So yes, you heard me correctly. Hoobuy is one of the newest agents on the market. We can buy high quality items for a fraction of price, and their shipping prices are very good. So let me quickly show you how to purchase on their website. So first of all, if you haven't signed up yet, please use the link down in the description. You will be redirected to the Hoobuy where you can just sign up to your new account, and then you can just start on using this Hoobuy service. And yeah, this is the first thing you see when you first log in into your Hoobuy account. And I'm doing this on iPad, but you can use a laptop or any other device basically. And yeah, you can search for the products using the search bar. As you can see, here's the search bar you can use. You can search for an item, or you can actually go into the specific item that you want. Let's say you have a link from a Chinese website and you want to just paste this thing in to your Hoobuy and purchase this on Hoobuy. Nothing as simple as this. Simply just copy this link and just paste this thing into the search bar. So just like this, it's already in. Let's just press on the search. And yeah, here we have it, guys. You can see the product, everything, how it all looks like. You can see whether you like this product or not. You can see the price, the colors, the sizing options. As you can see, this product costs $30.76, and then also the domestic shipping to the warehouse of 15 yuans. So that's it. Let's select the product. Let's select this color and the size 42. And as you can see, it's already selected and we can purchase this thing. The average shipping time is around 15.7 days, so a little bit long to be honest with you, and the weight for the product is just 1.8 kilograms, so also quite a bit of boots. You can see all the pictures, how the shoes look like and how it all looks like and presents like. As you can see, they're pretty nice. I like them. I like how it all looks like. Yeah, they're honestly perfect. One of the better shoes here. You guys have a lot of links down in the description, so please check them out. Very worth it. And yeah, with that said, let's just simply click on the add to the cart button, just like this. It's already in cart, you can see here, add it. So that's nice. And let me also add the black ones. So yeah, I have here the black ones, let's add them here as well, so we can purchase the whole thing. Yeah, we have 2 items already, so that's nice. And you can always favorite the product to save this thing for later if you want to. Very nice, I like it a lot. Here's the shortcut. I have quite a bit of products here saved, so that's just nice. Let's simply go to the cart button, and here you can just pay for your order. So let's just select all and let's pay for them all. Okay folks, and this is how it all looks like. We have successfully placed the order, and now we have to wait for the workers of Hoobuy to just simply purchase them for us, and then they will arrive in our warehouse where we can just simply, you know, check the quality and pack the package to be then sent internationally. Okay, and this is how it all looks like, people. As you can see, it's pretty simple to buy items on Hoobuy. If you have some questions, just simply ask me, I will answer you for sure. Also, don't forget to sign up to Hoobuy where you can find many different offers and deals. I highly recommend you guys checking them out. You can get yourself some nice shoes and all this stuff. So yeah, definitely recommend you guys checking this out. See you in the next video. Bye.